All right, guys. Next concept here. So, last one we were doing was a double parry. If I step into my left, I'm kind of leading that right shoulder, and then what we were doing was we were adding that round kick. If I'm going this way, and then adding that round kick. So, now what we're going to do is as we step out, we're gonna shift the body, and now we're getting into a little bit more of what I call it a step and swing footwork. Because when I step out at that angle, I swing that rear foot, right? If I go to my right, I'm swinging that rear foot. And this footwork, we see it in tons of application, weaponry, striking, MMA, any kind of avoiding a shoot or whatever, getting out of the way of a kick, etc., etc. It's just a very useful, utilized type of footwork. So again, doing the symmetrical training here, and again, there's a lot of stuff here, so you might just want to get one side down over and over again and then rep out the other side. But I'm going to demonstrate it both to the left and to the right. But so now what's going to happen, again, this would be, could be used as an attack or as in a defense, right? But ideally it's like kind of a straight punch. If that straight right is coming at me, I'm stepping out to my left, and what's happening is, they call it like a delineas, right? Or they call it directa. It's got a bunch of different names, but the concept really is just that I'm deflecting that punch with my forearm as I'm putting my hand towards the eyes, as I'm moving off the line, all at one time. So I'm in this position. It's like a parry and a slide here with my front hand, okay? If I go this way, okay, so I'm stepping and I'm sliding back that rear foot, stepping out and sliding back that rear foot, stepping out. Okay, so I'm stepping, here's my center line. I got this nice little seam down the mat that I can use as a reference where I step off center, step off center, step off center. Okay, so now when I step off center here, one, okay, now assuming their bodies, I'm going to go right shot to the body, then I'm going to uppercut to the jaw. Now I can either knee or kick depending how far away they are, right, what the targets are available to me. If I go this direction, one, body, uppercut, and then kick or knee, right? If I go here, one, I can go body, uppercut. If they're close, maybe I can do a knee, slide, body, uppercut, and then knee. So again, very much of a, crossover there, Muay Thai and stuff like that. A lot of arts have very similar looks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side, right slide, left punch to the body, right uppercut to the jaw, and then whatever target is available to you. You can also, obviously, this is yours to play with. So my application could be, my kicking application could be more like Savate style, right? Again, range dependent. If I slide out here, I hit the body, I hit the head. Okay, now maybe they backed off, or maybe I just want to use the toe of my shoe. If I go here, 1, 2, 3, and then I can toe kick, okay, or whatever. You can make this your own, depending on your attributes. Here, like this, right? I could get into grappling if I want. 1, 2, 3. I could go in for simulate a takedown. On this side, uppercut, okay, and then I can step in for like a charge, right, or get the clinch or whatever you want to do. I'm just making a striking video just to keep motion, but you can do that, right? So out, 1, 2, 3, then the leg. Now I go to this side, slide it, body, head, then my rear leg kick, okay? Slide it, body, head, rear leg kick. Could be straight up into the groin. If he's in a left lead, I go out here, 1, 2. Now if that leg's forward, I could go boom, straight up into the groin if it's, say, self-defense, right? Or I could use that as a way to push. 1, 2, 3, and push them away. So you can obviously, maybe I go side kick instead. I go this side, 1, 2, 3, and I use my rear push kick, side kick. Anyways, you get the idea. So 1, body. I like the uppercut here. Again, play with it, right? You go body if you want, or whatever. You go boom, front overhand. Okay, mix it up. But I just personally like the flow of that uppercut. Once you get this, you could do anything as well. It's a different little concept than what we've touched on so far, but it's a step off here like that, off the center. You see how I create that lane? And that's going up towards their eyes. Going right up towards their eyes, and then I have my combinations and attacks. So, hope that makes sense, guys. Hope you have fun with that. Looking forward to see you next time. Take care.